Hi, scholars. Happy Tuesday. Before we get started, I want you to pause your video right now and do your favorite cheer for either your family members or your brother or your sister, whoever's around you. Pause your video right now and go do your favorite cheer. Nice job. Now that you did your favorite cheer, I want you at the end of this video, when we've completed all of our work, to comment your name and the cheer that you performed, because I really miss hearing you do all of your cheers and doing our class cheer together. And if you want to send me a video of you doing a cheer, I would also love that. Let's get started. Today we're going to look at Module 6, Lesson 8. We're going to read this first problem together, then you're going to solve on your own. Let's get started. One second here. Okay. We're reading on 1-2. Miss Javadi and Miss Cherney together have 17 smelly stickers. How many smelly stickers might each teacher have? Go ahead and pause your video and solve this problem. Nice job. Now that you did that, let's solve it together. So first I'm going to mark up my problem. So this problem tells me that Miss Cherney and I together have 17 smelly stickers. Oh, I miss those smelly stickers. I want to find out how many smelly stickers each teacher might have. So we read the problem, we marked it up. Now I know that we each have together we have 17. How many could each of us have? What are some parts that we could break up this number into? Go ahead and tell me 2 parts we could break up this number into on 2. 1, 2. Nice job. You might have used those 2 parts first. The first 2 parts I'm going to use are 10 and 7. I took a 10 out from the number 17. And I was left with 7 ones. Nice job. Let's try another one. We could also have 17, and maybe Miss Cherney this time has more stickers than I do. So maybe Miss Javadi has 8 stickers and Miss Cherney has 9 stickers. That's a possibility. We also might have a total of 17 and maybe, let's see. So we have 10 and 7, 8 and 9. How else what other number can we take out? What if I took out the number 5? You can take out any number you want, but you just got to find the other number that goes with it. So if I take out 5, I need to figure out what my other part is. So if I took out 5, I'm going to count down 5 times to find the other part. Grab 17, count down 5 times. Get ready, go. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. My other part is 12. So you might have numbers that look like these, or maybe you chose different numbers to break up into, but those are the numbers that I chose. Now down below, our answer statement says Miss Javadi has blank and Miss Cherney has blank smelly stickers. So I can choose any of the number bonds that I wrote up here. I'm going to choose the one that says 5 and 12. Now the challenge question says, let's read this one. Who has more smelly stickers? And how many more does that teacher have? So depending on the numbers that you chose, your answer might look a little bit different from mine. Since I chose 5 smelly stickers for me, Miss Javadi, and 12 smelly stickers for Miss Cherney, I'm going to do that number sentence in the challenge problem. So it says, who has more smelly stickers? So if I have 5 and Miss Cherney has 12, which number is greater, 5 or 12? Say it on 2. 1, 2. That's right, 12. how many more does that teacher have? So Miss Cherney has 12, which is the greater number, and I have 5. And I know that if I'm looking for how many more, I'm looking for the difference. So I'm going to do a subtraction problem. Now I need to find the difference between those two numbers. I'm going to grab 12 and count down 5 times. Do it with me. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Now, I know that Miss Cherney has 7 more stickers than I do. Nice job. Let's keep going. Before we get started on this page, we're going to practice skip counting by tens. So let's practice counting by tens together. We're going to start at 10. Go ahead and hold your fingers out like this. We'll do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Nice job. Now let's start at 100 and count all the way down to 10. Get ready. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Nice job. All right, let's look at some more numbers today. So your page should look like mine. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to draw 10 ones over here in this area. Then you draw and then fill out your place value chart. All right, let's make sure I have 10 tens on my page. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That tells me that 100 is equal to 10 tens. Let's fill in our place value chart. How many tens do we have in our drawing? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 ones. Go ahead and fill your place value chart in right now too. And how many ones do you see on our page? That's right, I see 0 ones on our page. What number is equal to 10 tens, 0 ones? Say it on 2, 1, 2. 100. 100 is equal to 10 tens, 0 ones. What is 100 equal to? Say it now. That's right. If I have 10 tens and 0 ones, I have the number 100. Let's try it with a different number. I'm going to draw the drawing on the page. You fill in the place value chart and copy the drawing on your page when I'm done. Now let's check out our new drawing. Let's count how many tens we have first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means we have 10 tens. So on my place value chart, I'm going to write 10 inside the tens box. Now let's count how many ones I have. I see 1. So I have 1 ones. 10 tens, 1 ones is equal to what number? Say it out on 2, 1, 2. That's right. 100. 1 is our new number. In 101, we have 10 tens and 1 ones. Let's try a new number. Go ahead and draw this drawing and fill out your place value chart on your page now. Nice job. Now let's look at it together. First, I'm going to start by counting my tens. Count with me, get ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means I have 10 tens. How many tens do I have? That's right, I have 10 tens. So go ahead and fill that in your place value chart. Now let's count the ones. I see 1, 2, 3. How many ones do you see in your drawing? That's right, 3 ones. What number is equal to 10 tens, 3 ones? Pause and think. Play and say it out loud. Get ready, go. That's right. 10 tens, 3 ones is equal to 103. So it looks like 103 because I have 10 tens and 3 ones. Now let's make it a little more challenging. Let's count how many tens we have in our drawing now. Go ahead and pause and draw and fill in your place value chart on your page now. Now that you did that, let's count how many tens we have in our drawing together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whoa, we have 11 tens. Let's make sure we put that in our place value chart right away. We have 11 tens. How many ones do you see on our page? That's right, I see 0 ones. If I have 11 tens, 0 ones, what number is that equal to? Think, think, think. That's right. It's equal to 110 because we have 11 tens, 0 ones. It's similar to when we had 10 tens and 0 ones before, like up here. When we have 10 tens, we count by tens 10 times, and we got to 100. But when we have 11 tens, like we do now in this picture, let's see what happens when we count by tens 11 times. So let's start from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So 11 tens, 0 ones is equal to 110. Nice job. Let's do one more together. Go ahead and pause and draw this drawing and fill out your place value chart on your page now. Nice job. Now let's count together. First, let's count just the tens. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tens. So I need to write 11 in my tens place. Now let's count the ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So I'm going to draw a 4 in the ones place. 11 tens, 4 ones is equal to what number? Go ahead and write the number that you think 11 tens, 4 ones is equal to. Nice job. Now, if we have 11 tens, we know that's equal to 110 because we did it up here. Now we need to add 4 ones. So I'm going to count all of these tens are equal to 110. Now let's count the ones. 111, 112, 113, 114. Say whoa. That is a big number. The way we write 114 looks like this. 114. just like that. Nice job if you got that one correct all on your own. We're going to do 2 more problems together, then it's your independent practice. We're going to move on to the next page. For these problems right here, there is a drawing and a place value chart that you need to fill out. Also, you need to write the number that this is equal to. So let's try this first example together. First, we're going to count the tens, fill in our place value chart, count the ones, fill in our place value chart, then write the number that those tens and ones are equal to. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That tells me that we have 6 tens. Now let's count the ones. Ooh, these are small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 ones. Now write the number that 6 tens, 5 ones is equal to on this line. Nice job. You should have written the number 65. Try this next one on your own. I will write the answer here to check your work after you have completed it on your own. Go ahead and pause and solve right now. Nice job, scholars, working super hard on your own. Let's check your answers. So first you should have counted the tens, and you should have counted 9 tens. Then you should have counted the ones and found 6 ones. 9 tens, 6 ones is equal to the number 96. Give yourself a pat on the back if you also got 96. Nice job. Let's look at the 2 problems below. I'm going to go ahead and clear this part of my page so I can scroll down. Down here, you see a number in a place value chart. Over here, I see the number 10 tens, 7 ones. It's your job to draw a picture using quick tens and ones and write the number that it's equal to. So you need to draw a picture showing 10, 10, 7 ones and write the number that 10, 10, 7 ones is equal to. You're going to do the same thing over here for 11 tens, 0 ones, using quick tens and ones, then writing the number that 11 tens, 0 ones is equal to. Pause and solve on your own. Check your work with my page when you're done. Nice job working on your own. Let's check our answers together. So for this first problem over here, 10 tens, 7 ones, let's double check that you have 10 tens and 7 ones in your drawing. Let's count together. While I'm counting on my page, you're counting on your page to double check your answers. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you draw 10 tens? Give me a thumbs up if you did. Nice job. Let's check that we have 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give me 2 thumbs up if you also have 7 ones. Nice job. 10 tens, 7 ones is equal to what number? Say it on 2, 1, 2. That's right. 10 tens, 7 ones is equal to 107. I know that 10 tens, 7 ones is equal to 107 because I can count by tens 10 times to get to 100. Then count 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107. Nice job. Let's look at the other problem on this side. In our place value chart, I see 11 tens, 0 ones. Let's check our drawings to make sure that we have 11 tens, 0 ones. I'm checking my page. You're also checking your page at the same time. Let's count our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tens. Raise your hand if you have 11 tens on your page. Nice job, me too. Let's check our ones column. My ones column says 0 ones. Let's check to see that you have 0 ones on your page. Oh no, I made a mistake. Silly Miss Javadi. How many ones should there be on my page? Say it on 2. 1, 2. That's right, there should be 0 ones. So I shouldn't see any ones on your page. Your page should only have 11 tens. Now, let's write the number that 11 tens, 0 ones is equal to. What number is equal to 11 tens, 0 ones? Say it on 2. 1, 2. That's right, 110. I know this because I can count by tens 11 times to get my answer. Scholars, the rest of this lesson is your independent practice. Keep working hard. I am so proud of all of you who have been working super hard and got 4s on your math exit tickets. I want to shout a few of you out who did a really awesome job on your math exit tickets. I'm going to shout out Karen Williams, Sean Andrews, Morgan James, Kaden Patterson, Abigail Savage, Skylar March, Troy Hodge, Ava Ellis, Charles Nawanajo, Zoe White, Abigail Supre, Elizabeth Early, and Kamaya Moore for working super hard and getting those 4s on your math exit tickets. Keep up all your hard work, scholars. Bye.